I'm going to say, on the basis that I woke up about 2 minutes ago. Literally, I've just woken up. What a fantastic day. And I got involved with this about 10 days ago. And I'd like to literally celebrate what Jenna has done today. I think it's absolutely amazing. And I would like to describe her as, I think I heard on one of the Twitter feeds today. I heard her described as the Angel of the North. And I think that is absolutely apt. I think it's brilliant. The Angel of the North, as you will know, is the statue in the northeast, and everyone sees it as you're driving in and out of Newcastle. And it was designed by Anthony Gormley to celebrate the miners who spent 200 years working underground in the dark. You, as an organisation, have probably never worked together so much. Historically, you've worked individually and you've worked in the dark. I think Jenna has brought you into the light. And I think that what she's done here has been absolutely brilliant. Bringing you together has been amazing. And I saw another Twitter feed today which said somebody said they've worked in this industry for 30 years and they've never been more proud of what you've done today. And I'd like you all to give yourselves a clap. All of you. James Backhouse told me about 10 days ago, oh, can you give Jenna a ring? She's organising something. So I thought, well, I'll just be neutral. I won't say anything. I'll just sort of not get involved and give some kind words. Well, I failed that plan because I remember on the Friday night, I said, we need to start and do our own Jarrow March. And you need to bring everybody down from Jarrow as they did in the 1920s. My other idea was to start on the east coast at Ramsgate, where the little people set off to bring the army back from the beaches of Dunkirk. And it was the little people who brought the army back from Dunkirk. There was no big multinationals there. There was no liners. It was the little people who did it. And you are here as the little people. Every one of you's got your name on your coaches. It's your family business. It's third generations. And I've spoken to people in our capacity as solicitors over the past month and the past 2 months who are at their wits' end. We have spoken to people who are literally suicidal. And I know this is a very difficult time for you, and I really feel for you. And we've tried to work out at Backhouse Jones, what do you want? And there's 42,000 people involved in this industry, providing £6 billion to the economy. And we've summarised it. I say we, Laura Hadzik summarised it for me. We've summarised what you want in 3 words. Now, the first is furlough, and you need an extension of the furlough scheme to keep you going for the 18-month winter that you're having to endure. No company can deal with an 18-month winter that is unplanned for. So you need an extension to the furlough scheme. The second thing you need is finance, and you need help on the finance, and you need the government to give you assistance with the finance scheme, to give you an extended finance break on your agreements, your finance agreements for all these fantastic trucks. So you need coaches. I told you I've just woken up. I always get that bit wrong, actually. So the second thing you need is the help on the finance agreements. The third thing you need is security. You need help with the security on your homes. we know that many of these not lorries, they are coaches. Many of these coaches are secured by personal guarantee on your homes. We know that. The government can issue a statutory instrument tomorrow. It will cost them nothing to take away the ability of the finance companies to take the to secure them against your homes. That can be dealt with immediately and at no cost to the government. Again, there will be no cost to the government by giving you an extension on your finance agreements. Make them pay. And we're not appealing to the government's gratitude. Never appeal to the politicians' mercy or their gratitude. They don't have any. Appeal to their self-interest. They need to keep you in business until spring of next year, so that you don't make people redundant, so that 42,000 people are not jeopardising their jobs and your homes are not at risk. Those are the three things that we want. FFS. Now that is quite a good slogan. All slogans must have three